Welcome to itbc Now. I'm Clara. I'm at Blockchain Investor Summit at COEX. Blockchain Investor Summit was held at COEX in Seoul on the 29th and 30th. On day 2, we met Olga Feldmeier, CEO of SmartValor that is listed on Bithumb and Bittmex. Hi Olga, welcome back to Korea.
안녕하세요. That's my favorite word.
Yes. So we met at the Economy event and at the SmartValor's after party, and you came back to Korea in a month. And how do you feel about coming back to Korea?
Well, now it's even better because now we're listed on one of the largest Korean exchanges, on Bithumb. On 18th of April, Valor token started to trade on Bithumb. So tremendous interest and a lot of trades and people coming to us. Our website almost crashed with so much requests coming up from Korean users. So it's amazing.
What is the purpose of your trip to Korea this time?
Well, this is just basically one of the very first several trips here. We're establishing a subsidiary here in Korea, right? Because you see, for us, what is actually currently kind of difficult here in terms of regulation, the regulation around security token issuance or initial coin issuance, this is completely different in Europe, in Switzerland, right? This is legal activity, you can be licensed and you can offer those services. So we see there is a great strategic fit between, Korea and needs of companies here to issue security tokens and our abilities, what we can do in Europe to help those companies to fundraise, to find investors, to find users, to find their community. So it's a very strategic interest for us.
So you're a speaker at the Blockchain Investor Summit today. So what did you talk about? What is your speech about?
Yeah, so that's very interesting conference here with a lot of investors and people involved in trading of cryptocurrencies and so on. My topic was basically around Cambrian explosion of digital assets. This is what is happening today. We see hundreds of STOs coming into place, companies issuing their security tokens. But the problem, there are very few exchanges worldwide, just in US, the first 2 being launched, right? So this infrastructure is missing. And the way this infrastructure for security tokens, for tokenized assets is emerging, and it's actually a huge opportunity for people around the world because, in comparison to traditional exchanges, which are owned by banks, asset issuers, like, huge institutions, right? In comparison to traditional exchanges, crypto exchanges are owned in a completely different way, right? Look at Binance. You buy BNB token and you kind of own a part of revenues and success of these companies, right? And anybody can purchase these tokens, right? But this is something that is going to change in the next 5 to 10 years. Tokens of crypto exchanges will rise in value. We'll see tremendous, expansion of this space as a category of market cap in crypto. And traditional exchanges, I don't think they will see this kind of growth in the future. So we will see a certain kind of leveling playing field.
So back to the listing. Valor tokens listed on the Bithumb. So congratulations first.
Thank you very much. That's amazing news for us. Thank you. Thank you also to everybody who participated and who is now the owner of Valor token. Welcome on board. So the great news, we are opening to public the access to SmartValor exchange this Friday. So yeah, exactly. So this is also, one of the reasons I'm here. I would like to share this great news with our Korean community. SmartValor 진짜 좋아요.
During the session, Olga Feldmeier said STO can be linked with real assets and used like stocks to make transactions with cryptocurrency, and these are highly stable because of the guarantee real assets provide. After Blockchain Investor Summit, SmartValor meetup was held at Spark Plus in Samsung. Blockchain media joined participated the event, and people who are interested in SmartValor and Valor token came to communicate directly with the CEO. Olga Feldmeier said STO regulation in Korea would be changed in few years.